看好福气哦。
Guess the animal. I have a large mane and sharp teeth. I am the king of the jungle. Who am I? Can you guess? The lion. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. They live in groups called prides. I have a long trunk and big floppy ears. Who am I? Easy to guess. The elephant. Elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, and even hug. They are the largest land animals on Earth. I have a long neck and I eat leaves from tall trees. Who am I? I bet you will guess correctly. The giraffe. Giraffes have the longest necks of any animal. Their tongues can be 45 centimeters, 18 inches, long. I am big and furry. I can be brown, black, or white. Who am I? Can you guess? The bear. Bears can smell food from more than 20 kilometers away. Some bears can run faster than a racehorse. I wear black and white stripes like a jacket. Who am I? Can you guess? The zebra. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern. Stripes help confuse predators. I have thick skin and a big horn on my nose. Who am I? I bet you will guess correctly. The rhinoceros. A rhino's horn is made of keratin, just like our hair and nails. Rhinos can run as fast as 50 kilometers per hour. I have orange fur with black stripes. I am a strong hunter. Who am I? Easy to guess. The tiger. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. No two tigers have the same stripe pattern. I live in packs and howl at night. Who am I? Can you guess? The wolf. Wolves live and hunt in packs that work together. They communicate by howling, barking, and body language. I have beautiful antlers and I can run very fast. Who am I? Can you guess? The deer. Male deer grow antlers every year. Deer can run up to 48 kilometers per hour, 30 miles per hour. I love climbing trees and eating bananas. Who am I? Easy to guess. The monkey. Monkeys use their tails for balance while climbing. They are very good at solving puzzles. I am huge and strong with a big hump on my back. I live in herds and roam the grasslands. Who am I? Can you guess? The bison. Bison are the largest land mammals in North America. They can run up to 55 kilometers per hour despite their size. I am the largest ape, strong and gentle, and I love eating plants. Who am I? Easy to guess. The gorilla. Gorillas share about 98% of their DNA with humans. They live in family groups called troops. I carry my baby in a pouch and hop on strong legs. Who am I? I bet you will guess correctly. The kangaroo. Kangaroos can leap up to 9 meters in a single jump. They are only found in the wild in Australia. I live in trees and eat eucalyptus leaves. Who am I? Can you guess? The koala. Koalas sleep up to 18 to 20 hours a day. They only eat eucalyptus leaves, which are toxic to most animals. I laugh in a strange way and hunt in packs at night. Who am I? Can you guess? The hyena. Hyenas are more closely related to cats than dogs. Their laughing sound is used to talk to each other. I am clever with a bushy tail. I hunt at night and can live almost anywhere. Who am I? I bet you will guess correctly. The fox. Foxes can make more than 40 different sounds. Their thick tails help them balance and keep warm. I stand tall on my back legs to look around. I live in groups in the desert. Who am I? Can you guess? Meerkat. Meerkats work as a team. One always keeps watch while others hunt. They live in burrows to stay cool in the hot desert. I am big and heavy, and I spend most of my day in water. Who am I? I bet you will guess correctly. The hippopotamus. Hippos can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Even though they look slow, they can run faster than humans. I have long shaggy hair and live high up in the mountains. Who am I? Can you guess? The yak. Yaks can survive in very cold places like the Himalayas. Their milk is used to make butter and cheese. I have big teeth and I build dams with wood. Who am I? Can you guess? The beaver. Beavers are amazing builders and create ponds by building dams. Their strong front teeth never stop growing.
Like, share, subscribe.